we're going to be learning something called combining like terms. Ms. Wesley's mentioned this before, and we did a little bit of it the last 2 days that Ms. Wesley was in the classroom, where we added constants, where we put like 4 and 5 together. So what we're going to do, because there are terms that's alike, okay? So if we look at this first one, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 terms. We're going to combine the ones that are alike. So if you look at the warm-up directions, it says circle all terms that have a variable in common. Well, I'm going to circle this one because A is the same. I'm going to circle this one because it's got an A. Always keep that operation symbol that's in front of it. And then here's an A. All right. Then it says box all terms that are just constant. So I'm going to box the 4. Again, keep the operation symbol with it. Box the 5. That's not too bad, right? So now down here it says we're going to put them, oh, well, let's stay here. All right, so circle the ones that have the same term. So I've got a negative 7y, I've got a positive 2y. Okay? But then I'm going to box the constants, okay? So I'm boxing negative 8, and I'm boxing 10. So down here again, I'm going to circle the ones that have a variable in common. So negative 3x, negative 17x, and then box the constants. And I'm keeping that operation symbol in front of it. So now this one I'm going to put in a T-chart. I'm going to put all the variables on this side, and I'll put all the constants on this side. Constants are the numbers. So I've got 2a, I've got 4, negative 8a, 5, and a. So now I'm going to add those up. Okay, so what's 2a plus 1a? Is 3a. So I've got 3a minus 8a. So 3 minus 8, again, you can always check it with a calculator. 3 take away 8 is negative 5. So I've got negative 5a, and then what's 4 plus 5? 9, and it's a positive 9. So negative 5a plus 9 is an equivalent expression. It means the same thing as this expression. I've just combined all the things that are the same. It's kind of like if you think about, instead of doing 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, instead of a shorter way to write that would be 4 times, or wait, I'm a liar, 4 to the 5th power. So it's kind of the same idea. We're just making it easier. So let's try it with this one. Let's make a T-chart to combine these terms. So I've got variables and letters. So variables and constants. Sorry, I said that wrong. So for variables, I've got negative 7y, and I've got 2y. And for constants, I've got negative 8 and positive 10. Now I'm going to total that up. So negative 7 plus 2, negative 5y, negative 8 plus 10, positive 2. So that expression equals negative 5y plus 2. So this one equals this one equals this one. Sorry for the messiness. So now you could pause the video here and try the last one on your own, and then check in with Ms. Wesley to see if you're right. All right, so if you made a chart for this last one, variables, constants. So here's a I got negative 3x, I've got negative 17x. For constants, I got 22 and 39. So these are both negative, so we add them up and keep it negative. So negative 20x, and then 9, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 20x plus 61. And that's all you have to do to combine like terms. So if you check the next page, you're going to try some more on your own. So you can circle the variables, box the consonants, okay? And then on this part here, on the back part, don't freak out. You're going to have to do distributive property first. So let's look at number 22 together. So you're going to do distributive property first before you combine like terms. So 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 7n is going to be 21n. And then we bring down the rest of this down here. So I've got 21 and negative 5n. So what's 21 take away 5? Check yourself on your calculator. Oh wait, you don't have a calculator, sorry. So 16n plus 18. So again, when you have ones like this, it just wants you to use the distributive property first and then combine your like terms. Again, you have any questions, feel free to look up combining like terms on Khan Academy.